Hey everyone! Today we're going to be expanding on the last video I made about the DX knee switches and push it further into a more open-ended cross-hand concept to play around in. If you haven't checked out the video on DX knee switches already, you can check it out above or in the description below. As I might have mentioned before, concepts are a bit more advanced, relying more heavily on a solid understanding of breaking and your own personal foundation, and are really more about exploring within an idea rather than a specific move. For this particular concept, I find it works really well in two specific situations. The first is, in my opinion, the simpler but more limited option, using cross hands during spins and turns in your footwork. I'm sure someone out there can come up with more variations, but I just find this particular position to be a bit limiting, but it's still a good movement to throw in and add a bit of variety to your footwork. Typically I do this as I'm turning to the downward facing push-up position of a spin or turn. The second area for exploration is like the DX knee switches. You can use it to play around with hand placements while on your knees, whether this is while switching knees, playing around with reaching for limbs with the other hand, or even threading your own hands. You can also think of this as dancing with your hands rather than your feet in footwork, and it can be a really great way to break up people's expectation of what you're going to be doing next with your footwork. The best advice I can give is to really mentally focus on your hands being the main source of movement. These concept videos, as with all my other videos, are meant to inspire your own creativity and for you to learn to create on your own. Take things slow and just explore at your own pace. Try not to focus too hard on the end result and just try and explore. Just let things happen and let yourself create freely without judgment. That's where these concepts really shine, and hopefully they give you a much needed boost to creativity. As always, learn it, play around, and try and make it your own. Good luck creating, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Yeah, you already know, man. GTR forever, baby. And that crack production.